Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of MongoDB crash course series. Till now if you haven't watched the previous MongoDB videos, please watch those videos which are mentioned in the description box. Then continue from here. In this video, we are going to learn regex commands. Regular expression pattern matching queries we are going to learn. So why we need to wait? Let us start it. First of all, open Studio 3D on your computer. Studio 3D interface will be in this way. On the top left corner, you will find connect button. Click on it. Connection manager dialog box will be opened. Select the DB connection. Click on connect. Wait for a while. It will connect to the cloud server. It is connected. Here I have sales database. Double click on it. Double click on collections. Double click on products. So it is a data present in products collection. Now let us see regular expression commands. Regular expression in MongoDB are super handy when you want to search text patterns like partial matches or starting with something or ending with something, case insensitive search, etc. So let's break it down with examples using products collection. Basic syntax for regular expression in MongoDB. In the object there must be field with pattern. Pattern must be enclosed with slashes. So it is a simple syntax, or you can also do like this. If you want to give options, then you need to use object of field colon object of $regex their pattern and $options colon I. I will explain them clearly. First of all, let us take a query. Find products where name contains note. Here name slash note. Control plus click enter. So here we found no results because it is a case sensitive matching. So now write capital N. Now you will get result. So these are the products where whose name has matching note. Now let us see starts with find the products where brand starts with P. Now remove this query, type brand starts with P in the slashes, enter shift 6 and type P. So these are all the products where brand starting with P. Now let us see ending with. Find the products where category ends with ERY. Now remove this brand, type category in the slashes, ends with. Ends with must end with dollar. It must be end with ERY and dollar. Control plus enter. So these are the products whose category ends with ERY, stationery. Now let us see case insensitive search. In the first query, when we have entered the pattern as small note, then we didn't get any result because name is started with capital N. Now let us see case insensitive search. Then you need to enter name object $regex pattern is note comma $options I for insensitive. Control plus enter. So now you can find the products whose name starts with note. In the query we have given small n. In the result we got capital N. So it is a case insensitive search. Instead of this long query, we can use a shortcut to find case insensitive search, which is remove all this. Now type name which starts with note, after end slash type I and control plus enter. So it is a shortcut for the previous query where we need to search for case insensitivity. Now let us find exact match in array with regex. So first of all, change the view of the records to JSON view. Here in the tags you can find it is an array of elements. So let us assume there are multiple elements in the array. Now you need to search for any particular element whether it is present in the tags or not. Now you can type the command tags colon in the slashes enter work. Control plus enter. So it is taking too long to respond. Click on this into mark, again control plus enter. Sometimes you may get this type of trouble. MongoDB shell has terminated. Click here to restart it. Click here. Sometimes it may restart or sometimes it may not restart. In this type of cases, just close the terminal, discard, again click on products. If you find it again, then close the Studio 3D, again open the Studio 3D. Open Studio 3D, connect it to the test connection, open products collection again. Now enter the command tags work. So these are all the codes where in the tags, in the array elements there is work. Now let us combine what we have learned. Now let us find the products whose stock quantity is greater than 0 and matching the brand Adidas and matching the category books. Now search for books, small books, after slash I comma then stock quantity object $GT 0. Control plus enter. So books doesn't have any quantity, stock quantity which is greater than 0. Category books, and first of all control plus click enter. You have category books. Now in that category books, you want to find out stock quantity greater than 0. So these are all the products whose category is books and having stock quantity greater than 0. And now let us see where rating is less than 2. So these are all the products whose category is books and stock quantity is greater than 0, having rating less than 2. So in this way, you can combine all the queries which you have learned till now. So it is a summary of regular expression symbols and where they are used and different cases. Documentation is attached in the description box. Please download it and read the queries and practice each query which we are showing in the screen. If you have any doubts, please enter them in the comment section. So till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please share this video among your friends. Thank you for watching.